Hey Jam Fam, and welcome back to the channel. It's Tech Talk time again, and today we're talking about the Apple AirPods Pro. I've been using these for around 30 days and now I feel I can give you an honest review. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, we really appreciate the love. If you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up and ring the bell to be notified the second we upload a new video. So should you put the AirPods Pro on your Christmas list? I'll tell you up next. So firstly, let's take a look at the pricing. At 399 Australian dollars, they're not the cheapest option out there. But when you take a look at other in-ear wireless headphones out there with similar options, they are priced comparably. Okay, so what are the features and what puts them ahead of the AirPods? So the major one would have to be active noise cancelling. Okay, so about this, I've heard many reviews online that these are not good enough to wear on a plane. While I've not travelled on an aircraft with these yet, I have used them in front of extremely loud concert PAs, such as my trade. So I'm here to tell you I kind of disagree, because in that very loud and extreme environment, they actually outperform my expectations. So I think if you have the right size ear tips and you have a great seal in your ear, they really are good enough to wear on a plane. I can also tell you that the sound quality has improved remarkably over the AirPods. The sound was pure in the mid and high range and did deliver great bass with no distortion. And the H1 chip delivers really low audio latency. So the one thing I really love about them is that they actually stay in your ears while running or even shaking your head. And the stem has been shortened, giving a lower profile, which makes them more aesthetically pleasing. In terms of the size of the case comparable to the AirPods, they're pretty close when you put them side by side with the AirPods Pro 10 to the side. And this size makes them really pocketable. So there's 3 modes. There's noise cancelling, off, and transparency mode. You can change through these modes simply by squeezing the stem of the AirPods Pro. So another way of changing through the modes is one I like. You pick up your iPhone here, swipe down from the right hand side to reveal your control center, and then you'll see your volume control has the AirPods Pro symbol on them. Long press on that, and now you can change between the modes: transparency, off, and noise cancelling. In case you didn't know, transparency mode is a mode which lets you hear the environment around you, and it works really well with the AirPods Pro. So other things I like about them, the battery life. You get 4.5 hours with noise cancelling on and 5 hours with noise cancelling off on a single charge. If you want to talk and listen, it brings it down to about 3.5 hours off a single charge. With the actual case, recharging the AirPods Pro, you get about 24 hours of listening time and about 18 hours of talk and listening time. So it really is an all-day solution. And lastly, they work with Siri and also give you that audio sharing capability, which is quite cool. So what do I really think? I really think you can use these as an everyday headphone, and I'm selling my AirPods. If you have the spare cash, I definitely recommend you put these on your Christmas list. And with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. And we'll see you real soon, and that's Jam Life signing out.